So how do we do it? What is an audit? So an audit, basically, I'm going to show this for. I'm going to talk about this in Azure. It's a very similar process for AWS and Google, but basically, hit my scrolly thing today. Basically, there's a script or an application, like a exe file that we run in the environment that basically goes out to Azure and gets some metrics. And over here on the right, you're going to see the metrics that we're collecting, right? So we're going to collect the VM size, we're going to collect its status, we're going to collect the attached disk, and then on the disk, we're going to collect the size of the disk, the type of disk, the percent utilization, the status of that disk, and then if the DevOps should be able to have access or be able to provide, the list of the VMs and tell us which attached disks and things there are to those, and then basically what we're going to do is we're going to get that information. It's going to provide a basically a Excel file. It's going to spit that out. You can choose to review that information yourself before you send it over to have the audit performed. So if there's anything confidential there, like you don't want VM names or something like that, you can just change them all to VM 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and off to you send that over to us, and then a couple of days later, we're going to come back and present analysis on the ROI.